Abris Platform supports a multi-user approach. You can configure different access permissions for different users. In this video, we will show you how to do it in an easy way. We will perform all actions with a super user account. First, we need to create a new user. Add a new record to the table users with the login, username and password. Password is visible only when you type it and hidden after save. You can set a password expiration time to block account automatically. Sometimes you may need to block the account quickly. There is a special checkbox for this task. For every user, you can set additional options that allow you to create other users, inherit the permissions, create databases, and bypass row-level security policies. Initially, the new user does not have any access permissions. But you can include user in a group. You can do this in the panel Parent Groups. It is also possible to distribute the permissions directly to the objects for the selected user. Use panel grants, select the entity and specify the permissions: data select, insert, update, delete, truncate, references, triggers. Groups, also known as group roles, can be used to grant user a set of permissions at the same time. In a table groups, you can create a new group by setting its name. To use groups efficiently, you need to link them together and inherit permissions from one group to another. This can be done in table child groups. Working with a group, you can add an existing user to an existing group. This can be done in the panel Child Users. For just created group, you can also specify the parent groups. The permissions of the parent group will be transferred to the current group. You can do it in the panel Parent Groups. For any group, you can grant access permissions to objects the same way as for the user. Use panel grants, select an object and assign access permissions. You can manage access permissions directly by editing the database objects. Go to the menu Entities and select any table from the list. In the panel User Grants, you can manage permissions for users. Panel Groups grants can be used to manage access permissions for user groups. No code, no special design, just install and use.